Serious. So jy kon nie so geloop het nie. Sê maar gee die Here handklap in hierdie plek. Sure. So as ek aan jou voete vat, wat gaan gebeur? Gewoonlik wat gebeur as mense aan jou voete vat? Dan voel dit seer. Miracles, signs and wonders are overflowing in this room. Toe ek nou aan jou voete vat, was hy enige pyn of enige seer? Nee man, serious. Daar's niks seer toe kan dit vat nie. Fabian, ek glo die Here het jou gesond gemaak. I believe God has healed you completely. Whatever is here can change what is happening at home. But what is at home cannot change what is happening here. May what you have been trusting and believing God for to happen at home, happen right now in the name of Jesus. May it happen in the name of Jesus. May your miracle take place at your house, take place in your marriage, take place in your children, take place in your finances, in the name of Jesus.